Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reset your user account in the Habitica application. For instance, if you'd like to reset your progress and set all tasks and habits to 0 and start all over, you can do that by simply resetting your entire account in the Habitica application. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Habitica app on your Android or on your iOS. Let me access it via my Android phone. And here on your home screen, tap into these three lines in the top left. Next, tap into that gear icon here to the right. And after that, here inside your account settings, tap into My Account. And last but not least, in the following menu, swipe all the way down till you get to this section here, Reset Account. So tap into it. And last but not least, confirm the reset by typing reset in capital letters into that field below. And that's it. Now, I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep my account's progress, but that's basically it, guys. Remember also that all your achieved levels or your achievements, all your task and chores history, your entire progress will be deleted and reset to 0 if you do this. So that's basically it. The difference is that you will keep your account, so it's not the same as deleting your account. It's basically resetting it to 0. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.